I have just looked up pronoun on Wikipedia. Don't think I understood a lot, but it was impressive. The world of pronouns is vast. I thought it was simple, but it's not. But for you and me, for 11 plus, it is. There are clever people that want to be clever. Let them be clever. A pronoun is just a word that substitutes a normal noun. So we have things like he, him, that. Something I, she, them, they. It's just a little word that replaces the noun, so that it's a good one. You can use that. Otherwise, it gets very, very tedious. So if you were to say, Her Majesty the Queen did this, Her Majesty the Queen did that, Her Majesty the Queen did the other, you might get just a little bit fed up of saying Her Majesty the Queen and want to say her or she. Not all the time, but some of the times. You might want to say, put the cat food over there. Oh, did I forget the cat food? The cat food really smells terrible. I think we should put the cat food in the garage. You might sooner or later want to say, put it in the cat food. Our neighbours are really nice. We like Mr. and Mrs. Jones. Mr. and Mrs. Jones are lots of fun. Sooner or later you might want to say them or they. It just sort of mixes it up, makes it a bit more groovy. Can't believe I just said that. Anyway, don't get frightened by pronouns. They just make it funner. And that's not a word either. And so I shall see you tomorrow. Bye.